aren't you?
Cute.
You're cute?
No.
No, you're not?
No, cute.
Who's cute?
Kind of cute.
Connor's cute? What are you watching, Connor? Oh, okay. Are you eating breakfast?
No.
No. What have you got?
Huh?
What have you got?
Caramel.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Is it good? Yes. Where's baby Michael?
Meh. Bear.
In the bed?
Bear.
What's his name?
Baby Michael.
Yeah, baby Michael. Do you love baby Michael?
No.
No? I thought you loved baby Michael.
Papa go.
He's in the room. You want me to go get Papa?
No.
No?
Out.
You want out? What do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, please.
Hi.
Please.
Please.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.